Now let's do a pallet pull demonstration, and I have just a simple program that I said before, 0219 and 0518 I believe, and 585, yeah, and it started. It should do 5 pallet changes right now. It actually extends the arm first, then pallet goes up, unclamp, drags it back into the pallet pull. Now select the next prioritized pallet. That's pallet number 1. And let's verify it. If it's pallet number 1. Yeah, pallet number 1, and it should call the program 585 for it. Goes in, clamps, closes the door. Now it should blink our 585. It's completed. It's right now 219. It should select actually 585 like we had before a second ago. And it's just M60, M30, so it's a very short program. And goes another pallet. There it goes, and another pallet will be, after this one goes, we had number 1. So another pallet will be number 5. And it should go. Select number 5 pallet from a pallet pull. You can, as I said before, you can actually speed up the pallet pull itself, you know, make it turn much faster. There was no need for me to do that, so this speed is fine for me. But you can make flow adjustments, speed adjustments on that, and etc, etc. And now it's loading pallet 5 inside the machine. Clamps it, retracts the bolt, closes the door, selects the appropriate program for the pallet, and goes to the 9001 macro, which is the pallet change macro. The next pallet depends on the priority of it. This was pallet number 5 run by program 585. And this is for 5th priority, I think it's pallet number 3. That's it, yeah. So this is going to be pallet number 3. I put selected to it. Goes pallet number 3. Goes in. I'm gonna stop it at this moment. I'm gonna show you we're just gonna put in a single block. So when it's done, and it's gonna call out the program number for pallet. Now that's 585, and that's it. It's 585 on here. But same thing you can actually do in a jog mode, in your manual mode. Yeah, just in case, reset it. We're right now in a jog mode, and right now actually you can set up which new work to be set. For example, if we do 1 completion, 2 completion, 3 we cannot, because it's actually in the machine itself, so it's being worked on as we speak. And 5 completion, and those completed pallets, for example, if you have loaded, they will be actually picked up in a prioritized fashion. So whichever priority it's bigger, then it will just, you know, take this pallet first. But same thing you can actually do, you know, from the pendant, you know, load the pallets manually. For example, if we go door open and start it, door opens. If we go arm forward and click start, the arm actually will go forward. Okay, now we can go pallet unclamp on it. Pallet goes up, unclamps itself. We have confirmation. Now we can do arm retract. And in this position we can actually select, let's select pallet number 2 and start it. And we have now pallet number 2 already. We can actually put the arm forward. It will actually push it out the pallet. We have to clamp it, do a pallet clamp. It goes down. And retract our arm. And close the door. The door is closed. And this is actual. This is you know, you can do whatever you want. You can either, you know, do it automatically or, you know, manual. However you want, load any of your pallets in or out. You know, whatever you want. You can actually do the robot instead of the manual station over there. You can actually put in the robot in, or we can actually help you even put in, you know, throw in the robot, you know, into that system, so it will, you know, run. Everything will be run automatically. But that's it. We did the ATC, we did the magazine. We can actually do a magazine manual also. Movement, since we're in jog, so we can actually step through it. It's actually a good system because you can actually, you know, go forward, whatever, with a tool, select, you know, whatever tool you want, but step by step. And you know, it's got this pendant here. You can actually do everything, cover up. You can actually do everything manually also. So, and one good thing about it is there's no like swing arms, you know, on this system. It's only you know, like extension forward. Everything is done by cylinders. And same thing on a ATC, you know, arm itself. So there is no you know, camshafts, no you know, like swing arms like on a pallet changers. You know, when you have just only like either not the parallel type, but the other type when you just, you know, your arm swings and this whole thing, you know, rotates. There is nothing, you know, no complicated parts like this, you know, inside this system. So everything, it's in case of a service, you know, issue, everything, it's easy to actually work on and to fix. So you don't have to be, you know, scared about that. And that's our magazine. Again, chip conveyor, pallet pull line with its own hydraulic unit, which we replaced recently on it. There's back of the machine, there's a chiller actually running on that front. Again, the whole machine itself. Oh, thank you for watching the video, and I hope you like it, and talk to you later. Yep, bye bye.